Hmm. Well, I tried giving you more milk, but you don't want it. Yeah. I tried giving you opals, but you didn't want that either. Bless you. Bless you. Yeah. So you're just awake and playing, huh? You don't want any more milk? You just having fun? What you doing? Hmm? You're really interested in the light bulb over there. Like, Mommy, there's something shiny over there. I can see. Yeah. You're not supposed to stare at the light bulbs, though. You're not a moth. Yeah. You're a baby. Yes. Look at you sticking out your tongue. You're such a silly. You're just a silly baby. Yeah. Oh. I love you. Yes, I do. I love you, maybe. Oh, you're trying to grab my phone. Yeah. You're interested in everything. You want to know what that does. Oh, and why? What happened? Now what? Do we want to try giving milk again? Okay, we'll try again.